Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Credit Karma account. First, navigate to the Credit Karma website or download their mobile application. You'll then click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. This initial step is straightforward, requiring just a few moments of your time. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection to ensure a smooth registration experience. It's a simple process to begin monitoring your financial health.
Next, let's brew. For most teas, use water heated to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit just before boiling. A good ratio is 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes, green tea for 2 to 3 minutes, and herbal teas for 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, oversteeping can lead to a bitter taste, so stick to these guidelines for a perfectly balanced brew. Now for sweetening and flavoring. If you prefer your iced tea sweet, add sugar, honey, or agave nectar while the tea is still warm. This helps the sweetener dissolve completely. A simple syrup made with equal parts sugar and water is also an excellent choice for smooth integration. For extra flair, try infusing your tea with fresh lemon slices, orange peels, mint leaves, or even a few berries for a delightful twist. Finally, let's chill and serve. To prevent your iced tea from becoming cloudy, rapidly chill the hot tea. You can do this by pouring it over ice immediately or placing the pitcher in an ice bath. Once thoroughly chilled, pour your refreshing iced tea over plenty of fresh ice in a tall glass. A garnish of a lemon wedge, a lime slice, or a sprig of fresh mint adds a lovely touch and enhances the overall experience. Enjoy your homemade iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.